Hi guys! It's my day off today, so I decided to make some dessert. It's peach dessert. Here's the ingredients I have here: peach halves, condensed milk, sponge fingers biscuits, fresh milk. I got double cream, corn flour, and also a vanilla extract. Here's the ingredients that I'm going to use. Okay, so we're gonna pour our milk in a bowl. I'm gonna use 2 cups, or I'm gonna use just 1.5 cup. Not too much. Add the cornstarch and just mix it. I add some more, so a bit of cornstarch. And we're going to cook this to thicken. Okay, let's just cook our milk with cornstarch. Let's add our condensed milk and continue to stir. When it's already thickened, we're gonna add our double cream. And just thicken a bit until it's ready. When it's bubbling already, guys, we're gonna turn it off the heat now, and let's just cool it down. I'll just stir one more time so it won't stick to the pan, and cool it down. Here's my sauce, guys, thick and creamy. I'll just add, it's already cooled down, so I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. And just mix it. Just spread it. Maybe I'll cut this, so it'll be enough on the side. Add some more cream on top to cover the biscuit. Go. I think I add some more. I will add more layer of biscuit, another layer. There. Okay, and add some more cream on top again. And I will add the peaches on top, the half peaches on top, just like that. Looks yummy. Then I forget to tell you guys, I'm gonna put a jelly on top of it. Gonna add some hot water. And just stir it. Just keep stirring until it will dissolve. It's already dissolved, guys, so I'm going to do next is add some ice water. And the mixture is ready. So I just pour it in my pudding. Hi guys, pudding is ready. Here we go. I'm just going to put in the fridge to cool and set it. So here we go.